Want to see all the fun things I got in my fashion box? Keep watching.
What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you yet another subscription stylist service situation. I know I've been sharing a lot of these with you guys, but I'm hoping that you're finding them helpful in deciding whether or not you want to try any of these types of services. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you a service called Fashom. Yeah, I'd never heard of this one before. I was on another YouTuber's channel, as I do often. I am on YouTube probably as much as you guys if you're watching this video. So I was checking out some of the videos that she had, and she talked about this stylist service called Fashom, and it made me want to go ahead and check it out. So I signed up for it and got my first box. So I'm going to go ahead and share all of that with you, but I want to let you know the YouTuber's channel that I was on is called Blessed GMP. She has great ideas on where to shop. She shares all of our hauls with you, that kind of thing. So if you want to check out her channel, I've linked it below. So I don't know how many more of these services I'm going to try because it seems hit or miss, but we'll see how this one goes. I'm really excited to try it. The box was purple when it came in. Purple. I love purple. That is my absolute favorite color. So that was exciting enough for me. That alone was worth my $15 in the styling service fees. Nonetheless, I'm going to do my usual for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and go over what the service, how it works and all of that kind of stuff. But if you're not interested in that, if you know how it works or you just don't want to watch how it works, go ahead and jump to this timestamp here, and that will take you right to the items that they sent to me. So without further ado, let's jump in to what this whole fashion service is all about. Okay, guys, so when you jump onto their website, it looks like this. And the first thing that you're going to want to do, as you want to do with any stylist service, is take the stylist quiz. And as I've said on this channel many times, guys, it's very important that you are 100% honest here so that they are sending you something that will be the right fit and style for you. Okay, so let's jump into how it works. So like I said, you're going to take the stylist quiz. You're going to let them know your style, size, and price preferences. And once you submit that quiz, you're going to have 2 to 3 business days to select whatever styles the stylist has picked for you. So the stylist is going to select several pieces for you, and then you're going to be able to preview and select 5 of your favorite items that you want them to ship within 48 hours. So then, of course, like with everything else, you're going to try the pieces on, see what you like, what you don't like, and you're going to make sure that you send anything you don't want back to them within 3 business days. So what's really cool about this is your first styling session is free. There's no subscription. So you let them know every single time you want to receive a box. So there's no automatically you're going to get a box every month, every 3 months, nothing like that. You let them know every single time you want to get a box, and there's free shipping and returns both ways. So I think the most important thing here is that you need to make sure that you return anything you don't want within 3 business days. Okay, so I want to dig a little bit deeper into the styling service. So at your request, Fashom will pair you with a stylist based on the information you provided on your style quiz. So when you are paired with a stylist, the stylist will prepare an assortment of products that will be shipped to you upon your acceptance. So you'll be able to preview the assortment of products prior to shipping. So only the items you accept for shipment will be the items that will be shipped to you. So the stylist is going to pick several different things for you, and you need to make sure that you're picking 5 items from what the stylist picked for you to be shipped to your house. So like I said, make sure you're checking your email because it's going to pop up in your email that the stylist has some picks for you. You're going to pop in there and see whatever works best for you and have that shipped to your house. Okay, so let's dig into styling fee and payment. So once you request for the styling, you're going to have a $15 styling fee. So you have the option of not getting any products shipped at all, but that will not void your styling fee. So in other words, once you jump in and see what the stylist picked for you and you don't like anything, so you decide that you don't want anything shipped to your house, you're still going to be charged that $15 styling fee. So just keep in mind the $15 is pretty much gone either way. Now, if you do decide to keep anything, they will apply that $15 styling fee towards anything that you want to keep. So that's a good thing. Okay, and the last important thing that I want to cover for you guys is that you have 2 days to select the products that you want them to ship to you, or else the styling request
will be canceled. So in other words, make sure after you've requested the styling that you're checking your email frequently to see when the stylist picks are available for you. So then you need to pick up to 5 items that you would like to have shipped to your house, or else they're going to cancel the request. Now, I can tell you this did not happen in my case, and I did not select 5 items that I wanted them to send to me because I did not realize I needed to. I thought this was like all the other stylist services where they pick the items for you and they ship it and you're just all surprised and all this stuff. Well, they did not cancel my request. They went ahead and sent me the stylist's top 5 picks instead of canceling my request, which I greatly appreciated. So just know that if you do miss this, the chances of them canceling it are very slim because I'm sure they're trying to build a nice business for themselves, so they don't want to be making people upset. Okay, now that we've got all the explanation out of the way, let's jump into the hopefully fabulous items they sent to me.
Okay, guys, here's the first item they sent to me. So this is a Wild Honey mini snake skin print skirt. Try to say that 5 times fast. Nonetheless, this is a really cute skirt. I love the feel of it. It's super soft. Yes! It's gold. It's got these cool gold like pinstripey detail. Let me zoom in. Yeah. Super cute, right? Like the color, love the feel of whatever this fabric is. I'll try and look it up for you guys on the tag and show that to you somewhere here. If I didn't do that, if I don't pop it up, then I didn't find it. Nonetheless, this is really cute. We've got like the gold tones with the black and the ivory color. It's cute. The problem is I don't wear mini skirts. I'm not a mini skirt wearing kind of girl. And even back in my 20s when I looked better, yeah, I really didn't wear this kind of stuff very often. So this just really isn't my thing, but it's really cute. I definitely want to say that they got it right as far as like doing prints. I love the colors. I love the feel of the skirt. Not sure about the pricing. I'm sure I'm popping that up for you guys, but as I explained, there's different options with the pricing.
Okay, so I totally forgot to mention when I was describing how all of this works that you do get a discount. If you keep 3 or more items, you get 25% off. And if you keep all 5 items, they'll give you 30% off of your purchase. So sorry I missed that. Let's get back into the video.
Depending on how many items that you keep. So I will pop up the various different prices. This would be if I keep, however many items I might keep. Or maybe I won't keep anything. We'll see how this goes. Nonetheless, here's the front of it. I mean, it's a cute skirt. It really is. Here's the back. Yes, it's cute. It's just not really my kind of thing. So this one is a definite no-go. Let's move on to the next item. Okay, guys, here's my next item. Oh my gosh, I love the tones on this skirt. It is so cute. This is a Just USA straight 2-tone skirt. Yes. I mean, yes. It's a little short for me. I love the fact that it's high-waisted. It's a high-waisted skirt. Yes. This stylist really listened to everything that I wanted. I probably should pull it down just a little bit. I probably have it too high-waisted. But nonetheless, this is super cute. I forgot to mention the last skirt was a size small. This skirt is a size small. So, I mean, these are really cute. This feels great. The denim's super stretchy. I really love this skirt. I mean, I would actually contemplate keeping this skirt. It depends on how much it is, how many items I keep, and all that fun stuff in the end. But I really like this. The only thing that, of course, I'm concerned about is the fact that it's a little short. But, it is fingertip length. Remember when you were in school, you had to stand up this way, to the teacher, make sure that everything was fingertip length. And then when the teacher turned away, you pulled it back up. Yes! Super cute. I really like this one a lot. But the length is a concern for me because I do like my things a little bit longer. Don't like to wear them so short. Love the fact that it's high-waisted. She so listened to me on that. Oh my gosh, this stylist is awesome so far. She's definitely getting it right. I did not let her know that I prefer to wear my skirts longer. So that is my fault. There's no way for her to know that if I don't tell her. So please, when you're filling out all of the, descriptive parts of what you like and what you don't like, make sure that you list everything because you'll get in a situation like this where I love this skirt if it was longer. So here's the front of the skirt. Yes,
I love these two tones. And it feels so good. This is a well-made skirt. Okay, here's the back. Yes, I mean, yes, yes, yes. I love the frayed bottom. I love the two tones. Yes, this is super cute. I really like it, but I did just order a DIY denim pack from Poshmark that I want to try to make something like this. So this could go back for that reason alone, but I love it. I mean, I absolutely love it. So this right now is a question mark. We'll see how the rest of the items go, and I'll let you know at the end whether or not I decide to keep it. Let's move on to the next item.
Hey there, Amber here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to pop in and say that if you're enjoying this video, I have so many more like it and many more to come. So make sure that you're subscribed, you click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss any of the fun stuff I have going on here. Let's jump back into this awesome haul.
Okay guys, here's my next item. Oh my gosh, this stylist is just nailing it. As far as my style goes, she's definitely got it down. The problem is that I was not specific enough in my description of what I will and won't wear. And I did not mention that I don't like strappy things like this because I don't like to show my bra. So obviously I have the tank top on underneath because I'm just not comfortable wearing things like that. So I definitely needed to be more specific in my description of what I will and won't wear. So make sure you do that when you do yours if you decide to do this service, because then you'll get in a situation like mine where this is a really cute top. She nailed it as far as the color goes, as far as the polka dots. I love polka dots. You know how I feel about polka dots. And I love the ruffle at the top of the tank here. I mean, this is a really cute tank. I just don't like the strappiness here. Now I could wear something underneath it. I could figure it out. I would probably wear maybe like a short sleeve shirt as opposed to this tank that I put on underneath it to show it to you guys. But I mean, this is really cute. It has little slits up the side here. Super cute. Turn around to the back, pretty basic, but this is really cute. I'm not going to try to pretend I can pronounce this name, but it's Staccato or something like that is the brand of the tank. Really cute. Like it a lot. Probably won't keep it, but depends on how much it is. I will let you guys know at the end because I really do like it. So it's going to depend on how many other items I like, whether or not I actually keep this. So for now, we'll put it as a question mark. Let's move on to the next item. Okay, guys, here's my next item. Okay, so this is a ghillie or jilly tank top. I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm putting the name of it up there. You guys can tell me how bad I butchered it in the comments below. Nonetheless, the stylist is definitely nailing it as far as taking into consideration. I wanted to conceal my midsection. This is a looser fitting top. Totally appreciate that. Love the bold color. I love this neon yellow. This is fantastic. I do not like the straps on this as I didn't with the other one, hence underneath here. That's ruining the look of this whole tank top. I have this cream tank top underneath because I just don't like to show that much. That's just the way that I am. Nonetheless, I mean, this is a really cute tank top and it would probably look great on somebody else. It's just not really doing much for me. So I'll definitely notate what I didn't like about this stuff so they can hopefully get it right next time. But yeah, as far as what I put in my little quiz, what I like and don't like, she definitely nailed it. I just wasn't specific enough. So this is really cute. Yes, but I'm not keeping it. Here's the front and here's the back of it. Yes. So yeah, definitely not for me. So let's move on to this last item and see if they get that one right. Yay, let's do it. Okay guys, here's the final item they sent to me. So this is a really cute top. Crescent is the brand of the top, and this is a cool like cheetah print, kind of leopard print top. I like the top, but as you can see, I'm sure you can see these issues. Yeah, so I'm not a fan of showing a lot of stuff. So this went all the way down to here. So I added these clips because I'm just not a fan of that. So clearly I would need to wear something underneath this if I decided to keep it. And the other issue with it is the sleeves. I always have this issue. I'm a short person. Sleeves and pant leg lengths never fit me. A lot of times, even if they say they're for a short person, They never fit me. So I guess I'm extremely short. I don't know. Nonetheless, I really love the fact that this is looser fitting. I love the fact that she picked out an animal print. It's just not fitting me very good. And that's no fault of hers. There's no way to know that. She definitely got the size that I requested, which is a medium. So this, you know, it's just not working for me. So this isn't something that I'm going to keep. But here's the front of the shirt that I'm not going to keep. And here's the back. So pretty basic, but I like the shirt itself. It's just not working out for me. So it's not looking too good for this haul, but let's jump into my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so overall, I would definitely say that the stylist nailed my style from the information that I gave to her. I was not specific enough in the fact that I won't wear spaghetti straps and just little things like that, and the length of the skirts that I prefer. All that kind of stuff matters in what they send to you, and this is a prime example. I got things that I really liked, but the skirts were too short, and I don't like the spaghetti straps on shirts. So when I go in and reject all of these items, because I am deciding that I'm not going to keep any of them, including that skirt that I loved so much, but I'm not going to keep anything this time around. So when I go in to reject all of these items and send them back, I'm definitely going to indicate why I'm sending each item back so that they can nail my style the next time. I definitely think that they took everything that I put in my stylist quiz into consideration. Unlike Nadine West, where they just send you whatever they have available. That's how I feel anyways. I feel like they're not sending me things that are more my style. This isn't a Nadine West video, but just in comparison with Nadine West, I feel that this service actually pays attention to what you put in your stylist quiz, which I greatly appreciate, because what is the purpose for us to take these quizzes if you're just going to send us whatever you want? So I'm going to go in, be very specific about what I didn't like about these items so that they can nail it the next time. But I'm definitely going to get this service again. I think that they do a great job in styling people based on the information that they give them. So I definitely think that this is worth another try. I'm not too happy with the pricing of this one, but that's just because I am extremely cheap. But if I find something that I really like, and I mean really, really like, I will probably keep it. Kind of like I did with Stitch Fix, because I love Stitch Fix. I mean, you want to talk about a service that nails it. Stitch Fix definitely nails it. So I would highly suggest that service for people who have a bigger wallet than I do. Nonetheless, I feel like this was a super fun haul. I feel like they did a great job, and I hope that you found this video helpful or useful in some way. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all of those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Really? I don't like this. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my... Why can't I ever get it right the first time? I don't even know what I want to say. Okay, guys, here's the first item they sent to me. So this is a Wild Honey skate. It's a skate print skirt. Woo! Do it again. This is super cute. I love the two tones. I love how they have the frayed, not fringe. It's a frayed bottom. Can't see it. Okay, just making sure I'm recording. Wasn't sure. Okay, great. Okay, guys, but she nailed it as far as the style goes. I'm loving the orange. You know how I feel about polka dots. I love me some polka dots. This is such a cute top. And I forgot to look at what it was. Awesome. Let's do that. A staccato ruffle tank top. Yeah. I don't even know if I can pronounce the name. Hey there, Amber here. Sorry. Is there black stuff on me? Oh my gosh. Hey there, Amber here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to jump in and say if you're enjoying... Subscribe! Hey there, Amber here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to pop in and say if you're enjoying this video... My son is making a lot of noise.